Can dogs eat eggs? The short answer is yes, dogs can eat eggs. However, there is some debate about whether they should be cooked or raw. In general, eggs are good for dogs, and they are even part of canines' diet in the wild. Every part of the egg, from the shell to the yolk, contains beneficial nutrients for dogs. Although, like all good things, they should be given in moderation. Ultimately, you and your vet must discuss how to properly serve eggs to your dog and make the decision for yourselves. Here's what you should know about feeding eggs to dogs. How are eggs good for dogs? Eggs are high in protein, fatty acids, and amino acids that are beneficial for dogs' bodies. They are a healthy snack that can even help treat an upset stomach. The shells can be a good source of calcium. Though they aren't meant to substitute a dog's primary protein source, eggs are a great supplemental food and sometimes treat. Other beneficial nutrients in eggs include vitamin A and B12, riboflavin, folate, iron, and selenium. How are eggs bad for dogs? Eggs can be high in cholesterol and may cause an upset stomach in the short term if consumed in a high enough quantity, and obesity in the long term. Some vets may be concerned about salmonella, which can be found in uncooked eggs. Generally, dogs do not get ill from salmonella infection if their immune systems are healthy, though dogs with compromised immune systems may be more at risk. Cooking eggs reduces the risk of salmonella infection. Egg whites contain avidin, which inhibits biotin, a vitamin that is essential for cell growth, metabolism, healthy skin, and more in dogs. Long-term exposure to avidin can cause a biotin deficiency. However, egg yolks are very high in biotin, which can make up for any deficiency caused by egg whites. Your dog would have to eat a large amount of egg whites for a long time to suffer from biotin deficiency, but cooking the eggs will reduce this risk. As with all foods, there is a risk that eggs will cause some minor gastrointestinal upset or an allergic reaction, including sneezing, coughing, swelling, hives, or difficulty breathing. How should you feed eggs to your dog? You should first ask your vet if eggs are safe for your dog. Some dogs may have medical conditions that may be worsened when they consume eggs, so it's best to check and be safe. You should also discuss with your vet whether you should feed your dog raw or cooked eggs, and appropriate serving sizes, as it will depend on a variety of factors including size, age, activity level, and existing health issues. Generally, dogs should not eat more than one full egg per day, and even that is high for many pups, including smaller dogs. If you decide to feed your dog raw eggs, you can break them over your dog's normal food and stir them in. The shell can be crushed up and sprinkled over food for a calcium boost as well. Some pet parents choose not to crack the egg at all and serve it to their dog, shell and all intact. This can get messy and may be difficult for some dogs to bite into, especially smaller dogs. Some dogs may also not chew the shells fully before swallowing. Take your individual dog's needs into consideration. If you are cooking eggs for your dog, it's best not to use any oils, spices, or additives, as this can be harmful to canines. The safest way to feed eggs to your dog is to hard-boil them and chop them up. It's safest to feed eggs to your dog immediately after cooking. Store eggs at 40° Fahrenheit when raw, and boiled eggs at 160° Fahrenheit to properly cook them. If you're not serving them right away, it is recommended to refrigerate them at 40° Fahrenheit until ready to serve. That's all for today. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.